Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Thank you for clicking on the video. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today we'll be making together a street food from Nigeria, chicken suya. So sit back, relax, watch me while I make this. So I like to start first of all by mixing my suya spice. I already have a suya spice in the glass bowl you can see on the screen, which I bought from the market. But I'll be adding more of the seasoning to it. So on the white bowl there I have all-purpose seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder. I also have onions powder. I'll just mix that up all together and then I'll combine with the suya spice. So I'll turn that into the suya spice, mix and set aside. Now we're going to butterfly the chicken. The chicken has already been thoroughly washed with lemon and vinegar, cleaned properly. Now I'm just patting it dry with a kitchen towel, and then we are going to butterfly at this point. To butterfly the chicken, we are going to cut out the backbone, which is just as I am doing on the screen. You use your kitchen knife and cut not directly on the bone but by the side of the bone. You do that on both sides and then you'll be able to take out the backbone. So that is out now. I'm not throwing away the backbone. I also will be grilling it alongside with the whole chicken. I'll just be cleaning the inside of it where we have some little pieces of unwanted parts. So now we're going to be using a knife to open the upper part up thoroughly to enable us get a good butterfly, just like I am doing on the screen. Then we'll flip over. I'm going to be pressing down the breast part of the chicken to flatten out the chicken thoroughly, just like I am doing. So our chicken is ready. Time for us to start rubbing in the suya spice. Rub it in very generously. Suya is a very popular street food in Nigeria. Very popular, sold mostly at night, but you can also enjoy this at the comfort of your home, making it the way you also would like, adjusting it to your palate. More pepper, more soya spice, more veggies, however you would like. All done, I transfer now into a bowl, added my sunflower oil to it. You can use any oil of your choice. We are going to be marinating overnight. You can marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. Place in your refrigerator. So the next day, now I am oiling my baking tray. The baking rack, I have to put oil onto it so that the chicken doesn't stick on it after grilling. To be easy for us to lift it up. So now the chicken is out from the fridge. We're now going to baste a bit with the soya spice. I added oil into the leftover soya spice. Now I'm just basting the chicken. Now I'll be putting it in the oven. I'll be grilling for 40 minutes in 200 Celsius. Here we go. So halfway through cooking, I went to check on the chicken. Now I'm going to also baste again. At this point, you can flip over your chicken to the other side, but I decided not to flip it over. I just basted with more of the soya spice and oil to enable it to continue cooking very well. And then I returned it back into the oven while I go prepare the vegetables. So for the veggies, I'll be using cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. You can also use cabbage if you have that. So the veggies is all done now, ready, set aside, and our chicken at this point was almost ready. So let's go back to it. And here our suya is ready out from the oven. The chicken suya is ready, and definitely the logo to serving suya is our newspaper. So I'm adding more soya spice to it. I'm going to be serving now with also some soya spice with our vegetables. Time to enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.